So how do you pack for an 8-day trip with just a capsule wardrobe? That's super simple, and I'm going to show you in this video. Hi, my name is Kim. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Living My Wanderlust. And in this video, we're talking about capsule wardrobing. Now, the contents on this table are specifically for a summer capsule wardrobe, okay? So you're not going to use any of this for the winter. With that said, let's get started. What I have right here are 3 pairs of shoes, 1 crossbody bag, 1 hat, 4 tops and 4 bottoms. Now, I'm not going to talk about the essentials like bras and underwear. That's something that everyone brings, and you're going to need a certain number of underwear for a certain amount of time, and only you know that, so let's not make that assumption. However, for the outfits themselves, this is all you really need for a summer capsule wardrobe. Now, what is capsule wardrobing? Capsule wardrobing means that you pick essential pieces specifically curated to create multiple outfits from the same exact items. Why is this important? It reduces the amount of baggage that you need to bring with you on a flight or to even walk around with, okay? So, like I said, 4 tops, 4 bottoms. And I have for you here about 12 plus different outfits that I can wear with just these pieces. Now, this next part of the video I'm going to speed through just so you have an idea of how I put together my outfits and how it creates 12 different outfits. Ready? Let's go. Okay, I just showed you how to make 12 outfits from 4 tops and 4 bottoms with just 3 pairs of shoes. And the beautiful part is what this does for you is it definitely frees up room in your baggage. Whichever baggage you're bringing, it frees it up for any other essentials you might need to bring with you. But again, I tell you, if you really, really want to keep your baggage small and easy and affordable, which is key when you're traveling across the world, you want capsule pieces. Now, important to note is this carry-on bag here that I have here is, one of my favorites because it's small, it's versatile, and pretty much matches with every single outfit that I showed you here today. Now, I have a pink hat on today, and that's just because I was at the gym right before this, but if you play it smart, you would want to bring a different color hat, probably a white or a black or possibly both. And because you're saving so much room in your carry-on, you could probably fit 2 caps in there. And remember, a cap is important. It blocks the sun out of your face. So that's it for this capsule wardrobe. If you have any tips that you want to share with me or think I may have missed something, let me know in the comments below. I always love hearing back from my subscribers. Again, if you like this guide, please subscribe. Be sure to like the video, share the video with anyone who you think might benefit from this video, and hit the notification bell button so this way you know whenever I drop a new episode. Thank you for watching.